automatic activity reminder. Using Google Sheets and Apps script. Manage your activities and get reminders. Stay organized and never miss important tasks.
Step 1. Create a Google Sheet. Open Google Sheets. Create a blank spreadsheet. Give it a name, e.g. Activity Reminders. Step 2. Create these 5 headings in row 1. Activity, date, reminder days, status, and notes. Step 3. Add a test activity. For example, add the activity like test reminder, today's date, 1, pending, and testing email reminder in the first row under heading. Make sure the date cell is an actual date. Step 4. Open Apps script. From the sheet, select Extensions, then Apps script. Step 5. Delete the existing code. Delete all function my function. Step 6. Paste the reminder script. Paste the complete check activity reminders script into the Apps script editor. Comment below as script. We'll send you the script. Step 7. Enter your email address. Change your _email@gmail.com to your actual email address. Step 8. Save. Click Save. You can name the project Activity Reminder. Step 9. Run the test. At the top, select Check Activity Reminders. Click triangle Run button. Step 10. Authorize it. The first time, Google will request permission. Select your Google account. If you see Google hasn't verified this app, choose Advanced Go to Activity Reminder, Unsafe. Review the permissions and click Allow. Step 11. Check your email. You should receive something similar to as in screen. If you receive this, the script is working. Step 12. Make it automatic. In Apps script, click the clock triggers. Click plus Add Trigger. Function, check activity reminders event source, time-driven type, day timer, choose something like 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Click Save. That's all. Done. Now you will get to be reminder automatically. Why use this instead of Google Calendar reminders? One central task list. All activities, dates, notes, status, and reminder periods are managed in a single spreadsheet. Faster for bulk entry. Add or edit many activities directly in rows instead of creating separate calendar events one by one. Custom reminder periods. Each activity can have its own reminder days value. 1, 3, 7, 14, 30 days, etc. Automatic daily checking. Apps script scans the whole list automatically without opening the spreadsheet. Only relevant tasks are emailed. The script filters tasks according to their due dates and reminder windows. Easy completion tracking. Change status done, and the task stops appearing in reminder emails. Overdue tasks remain visible. Unfinished overdue activities continue to be highlighted instead of simply disappearing into an old calendar date. Notes stay with the task. Important instructions, references, or follow-up information can be included directly in the reminder. Easy to sort filter search. Tasks can be analyzed by date, status, activity, etc. using normal spreadsheet functions. Highly customizable. The script can later be modified for different reminder rules, recipients, categories, or email formats. Better for task management. Calendar is better for appointments. Google Calendar remains preferable when something must happen at a specific time or requires meeting invitations, availability, or scheduling.
Google Calendar tells me when an event happens. This system actively manages a list of tasks until they are completed.